my dear friends. Welcome to another exciting travel adventure. Our journey begins at Bandaranaike International Airport in Sri Lanka. After checking in, we are all set for a smooth flight to Kuala Lumpur International Airport. This flight takes around 3 hours, giving us just enough time to enjoy the beautiful aerial views, grab a meal, and get ready for an unforgettable trip. Welcome to Kuala Lumpur International Airport. The moment you step outside, you can feel the energy of this modern and bustling metropolis. From here, we take a comfortable ride straight to our hotel, Ramada Anchor by Wyndham Chinatown, a great spot in the heart of Chinatown, close to some of the city's best attractions. This is our room for the coming 6 days. Let's check in, freshen up, and get ready to explore. Our first stop on this exciting Kuala Lumpur adventure takes us to one of the city's top attractions, the Aquaria KLCC, located right beneath the iconic Petronas Twin Towers. This world-class oceanarium spans over 60,000 square feet and houses more than 5,000 marine and land creatures from all over the globe. Whether you're a nature lover or someone seeking an immersive aquatic experience, this place has it all. As soon as you enter, you're welcomed by a vibrant marine world teeming with colorful fish, exotic sea creatures, and even reptiles. The first section of the aquarium takes you through a tropical rainforest exhibit, where you can spot fascinating creatures like poison dart frogs, piranhas, and exotic snakes. Another great part of the aquarium is the interactive zones, where you can get up a closer look to some fascinating creatures. For example, in the touch pool, you can gently touch starfish, sea cucumbers, and even baby sharks. It's a wonderful hands-on experience that makes learning about marine life so much fun. Aquaria KLCC is not just about displays, but about education and conservation as well. The aquarium focuses on protecting the biodiversity of our oceans, and you'll learn about the importance of preserving these ecosystems through various exhibits and information panels. You'll also see displays dedicated to the rainforest, rivers, and coral reefs, each showcasing of how these delicate ecosystems support a vast range of life. From the Gulf of Mexico to the Andaman Sea, the exhibits beautifully capture the global scope of marine life. One of the highlights here is the 90-meter long underwater tunnel that takes you on a 360-degree journey beneath the ocean surface. You'll feel like you're walking in the deep sea, surrounded by sharks, rays, and giant groupers, with the sound of water flowing and the fish swimming all around you. It's a mesmerizing experience. Keep your eyes peeled for the mysterious stingrays, black-tipped reef sharks, and the immense green sea turtles gliding gracefully through the water. It's like being in a whole new world where you can witness the beauty and diversity of ocean life up close. For the ultimate experience, try to time your visit with the feeding sessions that happen throughout the day. Watching divers feed the sharks and rays is not only the thrilling but also education, as the aquarium staff shares interesting facts about each species. Overall, Aquaria KLCC offers a unique opportunity to get close to some of the most fascinating and mysterious creatures of the deep, all within the heart of Kuala Lumpur. After an amazing experience at the aquarium, it's time to relax and enjoy the breathtaking KLCC water fountain show. Located at the KLCC Park, right in front of the Petronas Twin Towers, this synchronized water and light show is a must-see attraction in Kuala Lumpur. The KLCC Lake Symphony Light and Sound Water Fountain showtimes are 8 p.m., 9 p.m. and 10 p.m. daily, while the light-only show times are at 7:30 p.m., 8:30 p.m. and 9:30 p.m. daily. The fountain show features colorful lights, music, and water jets that dance perfectly to the rhythm, creating a truly magical experience. It's the perfect way to end the night, taking in the dazzling city lights and enjoying the peaceful atmosphere of KLCC Park. From an exciting flight to exploring the city's top attractions, today has been an amazing start to our Kuala Lumpur adventure. Stay tuned for more as we continue exploring the best food, hidden gems, and must-visit places in Malaysia. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel vlogs. See you in the next one. Bye bye.